Alright, language explorers, so let's look at today's commonly confused words. So, wreath, wreath, and wrath. So, wreath. So, flowers arranged in a ring for decoration, like this. Yeah. We have a special wreath that we want to display. Yeah, I know how to make a wreath. Yeah. We laid a wreath. These wreaths are special. Yeah. So, wreath is covered and surrounded or encircle something. They sat wreathed in fog. All that smoke wreathed the camp. The army wreathed all around them, surrounded. They were encircled. Yeah, there was no escape. Our blockade will reef up the harbour or the city. Yeah, encircle it, block it, all around it. And wrath. Yeah, let's say anger. Okay, angry, here we are. Angry, the wrath. Wrath, actions done through anger. Anger, yes. We can feel his wrath. Yeah. The wrath was strongest when he had bad news. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. His anger turned into wrath. His wrath is far-reaching. His anger and impact can be felt all over the country. Yeah, no one can escape his wrath. No one can escape his wrath. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, wreath, this flower, lay a wreath, and wreath to be surrounded and encircled, and wrath. Yeah. So, can you use these words in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.